A new lead is generated in my business, but I don't know when the lead is generated. I don't have the details of the lead every time a new lead is generating, but I want the notifications every time. I can't assign this task to any of my team members because they have a lot of work to do in their hand before all of this. So now what should I do? How can I get instant notifications whenever a new Facebook lead in my business is generated? Why are you having this question when I have the entire solution? I am a business owner and I promote my business using Facebook lead ads. In my business, I have created this setup where whenever a new Facebook lead is generated, automatically and instantly on my WhatsApp, I receive a notification. A new lead alert, this is the detail. You can go and contact the lead as soon as possible. Instant notifications are forwarded to me using the setup that you can see on the screen. If you don't believe me, let me show you how. I will generate a new test lead using Meta Leads Ads testing tool in front of you, and we will see how I will receive a new notification on my WhatsApp for the new lead. For the first name of my lead, I'll write over here as sample. For the last name, I'll write over here as lead. For the email, I'll write over here as sample.lead@pabblytudes.com. It is asking for the phone number, for which I will enter a dummy phone number and click on this continue button and submit button to generate a new lead. As a new lead is generated in my business, instantly you will see an automated message on my WhatsApp is going to be forwarded. New lead alert, name sample lead. This was the same phone number. Email address is sample.lead@pabblytudes.com and the source is Facebook lead ads. So now as I've received this notification instantly, this is how this amazing setup is actually going to work for your business as well. In this video, within few minutes, I will teach you how you can create this setup without need of any technical coding and programming skills. We are going to use the automation software in the name of Pabbly Connect, using which you can instantly send notifications on your WhatsApp for the new leads in your business. So without wasting any more of our time, let's dive into the creation of this amazing setup. In order to search for Pabbly Connect, open a new tab and search for www.pabbly.com/connect and you will come to this landing page. Now, if you're logging in for the first time, sign up for free from here. You will receive 100 free tasks every single month. Using the tasks, you can create the setup that I am teaching you in this video right away, absolutely for free. Test it out from your end, how it's working. And then what you can do is you can purchase our yearly or one-time plans to create such amazing automations. If you're planning to do so, use the code on the left side of my screen to get instant and amazing discounts on the purchase. Yearly or one-time plans purchase, you will get very high and good discount on top of the additional ones that is going on all of our plans. So the code is going to give you the maximum discount for a limited time only. Go ahead and use it right away, okay? Now I am already a user, so I've already signed into my Pabbly Connect account and I have opened the template of this workflow that I will be creating. Now if you want the same template that I am using in this video, use the free workflow link added in the description section below. Now let's simply create the connection. My trigger is Facebook lead ads new lead instead. Whenever instantly a new lead using Facebook lead ad is going to be generated, automatically I want that my trigger should capture the response of the lead's data. Go to the connected option, click on this add new connection section and click on this connect with Facebook lead ads button. Then it is asking for the permission for the account, for which click on this continue button. This is a safe process. Your leads data is completely safe with Pabbly Connect, so you can create this connection very easily. As now the connection has been created, for the Facebook page using which I'm promoting my business, over here from the drop down, I'm going to select as Digital Dynamics. That's the name of my business, and using the page I'm promoting my Facebook lead ad. So I'm going to select this page from here. And for the form, I've created one in the name of New Lead Ads form, using which I'm collecting my leads data. So I'll select the form. I want the simple response. I will select the option and click on the Save and Send Test Request button. It says waiting for webhook response. So now to check whether Facebook lead ads is successfully connected to Pabbly Connect or not, I'm going to generate another test lead in front of you, and then we'll see how automatically my trigger captures the response of the new lead been generated or not. Now I have already generated a test lead using this form. So I'm going to delete the existing lead from here because you can only generate one lead per form, test lead, okay? After deleting the lead, I will refresh the page from here. For the page, I'll select it as Digital Dynamics. For the form, I'll select it as the same form, that is New Lead Ads form. Click on this Preview Form button. Now you will come to this form. I will generate a new test lead in front of you. The name of my lead is Simple User. The email is simple.user@pabblytudes.com, and for the phone number, I will enter a dummy phone number right here. Click on this Continue button, Submit button to generate the lead. As now the test lead has been generated, instantly you will see within few seconds the response has been captured in my trigger, simple user, simple.user@pabblytudes.com with a phone number. So as now the response has been captured in my trigger, Facebook lead ads is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now instantly whenever a new lead is going to be generated through the ad campaign that I'm running through Facebook, instantly the trigger is going to capture the response of that. Now let's receive a notification on our phone number related to this lead that this lead is generated. Go ahead and contact it, okay? I manage the WhatsApp conversations in my business with the help of Pabbly Chat Flow, and using Pabbly Chat Flow, I will be sending this WhatsApp notification on my number. If you want to learn what is Pabbly Chat Flow, how the setup of Pabbly Chat Flow is created, what are the features and everything, you can check out all the videos that we have already created related to the topic Pabbly Chat Flow and uploaded on our YouTube channel. Go ahead, visit my channel and see all these details. Now, in order to create the connection between Pabbly Chat Flow and Pabbly Connect, go to the Connect option, click on this Add New Connection section, and you will come to this token page. Now, to have the token, log into your Pabbly Chat Flow account from here. After logging in inside your Pabbly Chat Flow account, go to the Settings option and go towards this API and Webhook section. You will come to this page. Generate the token from here, copy it from here, and simply paste it down in this field inside Pabbly Connect's workflow and save the connection. I've already done this entire process. Likewise, I've already created the connection, so I'll select the existing connection from before. After this connection has been created, next it is asking for the recipient WhatsApp mobile number. I want to send and receive a notification to myself on WhatsApp. So for this recipient phone number, as I want to receive the notification, I will enter my phone number right here. Next, for the WhatsApp message, I will write it as, this is the message I want to send, new lead alert. Now over here, I have to enter the lead's name. For the data of this particular field, I will map the data. Mapping is inserting data from the previous step. Where you want to map the data, add a slash. You will see previous step is going to appear where there is the lead's data name right here that I want in this field. So as I want to send a notification for this particular lead's details, I will select the data of the first name space, the last name of my lead from my previous response, which makes this data mapped. And as now this data is mapped, this data has now become dynamic. Now, whenever a new response of a lead will be captured in the previous step, the new data will be updated in place of this map data. This is how you will send the notifications. In the similar manner, I'm going to map the data of the phone number as well as the email address of my lead. After entering all the details, it is asking for the name. This name is the lead's name that will be saved inside my Pabbly Chat Flow account. So that is why I'm going to map the data of the name of my lead right over here as well. Okay, so name. Next, it is asking for the opt-in, which is going to be yes. Incoming block is no. I don't require any other field, so I'll skip the part and simply click on the Save and Send Test Request button, where I've received this response, which is a positive response, and on my WhatsApp, I have received a new notification. New lead alert, simple user. This is the phone number. This was the entire email address, simple.user@pabblytudes.com with the lead as source as Facebook lead ads. So as now I've received this notification successfully, this means the connection between my Facebook lead ads and the WhatsApp has now been done. Now, whenever a new lead will be generated through Facebook lead ads, instantly on my WhatsApp, I will receive a notification regarding the lead is generated. And this is the detail of the lead. So if you want, you can directly contact. Okay. So this is how this amazing setup is created. Now I am going to send the notification to myself. If you have other people to whom you want to send the WhatsApp notification to, you can add an action step. Again, select the Pabbly Chat Flow application right over here. Select the text message over here. Create the connection. Now for the recipient phone number, you can add other people's phone number. So the WhatsApp notification towards other people can also be forwarded, just not to yourself. You can send the notifications at the same time to different other people from your business. So this is how the entire connection is created, guys. If you have any questions or doubts related to this setup, comment down below. I will reply to all your queries. Use the code ANGYT to get instant and amazing discounts on the purchase. The code is in the description section as well. You can go ahead and copy it from there. So this was it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just this connection, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you want to know about the different plans that Pabbly Connect provides you, you can check out the link given over here. And if you have any queries related to it, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and thank you so much for watching.